Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike here today, and today we have a range unboxing with a big disappointment. Now, when I purchased this, you can see it's like a little unicorn, okay? And if we turn it over, you can see that is what we got. And straight away, it reminds me of that cartoon film called My Little Pony, My Little Pony. And I was very disappointed because the actual item I did put in the basket was a flamingo, and it turned out to come as this. So there I go on the range, ranting and raving and trying to figure out what's gone wrong. And it turns out when they emailed me back, this is a mix. And what I mean by that is be very, very careful when you order on the range. A lot of their products is you either get this or you get, it's out of two things. So you either get the flamingo or you get the unicorn, and they're picked at random. So my mistake was I didn't check it before ordering it. So the range did exactly what they were supposed to do, and it was my error for not checking. So I've ended up with this pony. I've tried to sell it on Vinted and it's just not selling. So I've decided that I'm gonna have to keep it because I really don't like it. I was thinking about doing a doing a giveaway on it, but I don't think anyone's gonna want to buy this. I mean, it looks like a bloody My Little Pony, doesn't it? But all we can do is just crack on with it, and then I'll try and sell it again, because believe it or not, there are a lot of sellers on Vinted that sell diamond painting. So yeah, I don't really know what to do with it, and I don't really want to chuck it away because obviously, you know, it's a nice, it'd be a shame to chuck away of something that's very decent. But I'm just so gutted that it weren't the flamingo, because I have not seen this one before. But the same thing happened with another painting that I was supposed to get, which was this, you know, I keep banging on about this cupcake one. Well, they're doing exactly the same as that. On the range, you've got the cupcake one, and I ended up with a bloody peacock. So, yeah, I'm going to be steering away from ordering online, I think. But anyway, in here we've got our bag, our tray and our crystal pen with our baggies. You've got yourself a schematic there. It's only got 11 colours here, and quite bizarrely, only 2 are letters, so that's interesting. And then in here we've got our standard little cute pack of drills. I love the way they've packaged that up. And then in here we have the white and the minty green and a green and a grey and a pink and another pink, another pink, a black and a yellow, classic B colours there, and then 2 like a violet and a dark purple. So yeah, I've decided after it just standing there looking at me in the bloody room to do it, because let's just check that stick. That's, oh my god, that feels very tight on there. I've decided to do it. You never know, maybe someone will buy it. But my plan of action is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to diamond paint it. I'm then going to put sealer on it and see if I can sell it on Vinted, because I'm sure someone out there might want it. But I just don't know what to do with it because I really don't like it. But I can't return it because I would have to pay out the postage to return it, and I don't think I could justify that cost, because the problem is that you're paying, this was £2.99, it's probably going to cost me what, £3 to send it back, so it's just pointless. But all we can do is do it, and I don't know, I might do a giveaway, I might sell it, I might just give it to someone who I know likes ponies. I just don't know what to do yet, because it is just, yeah, a big cock up really. But yeah, just be mindful, word of warning, that if you do go for this, if you see the flamingo on there, the chances are you're going to get the flamingo or you'll end up with this. Very similar thing with the train and the motorbike, and again with the peacock and the cupcakes. So they do a lot of mix and match. It's like the diamond painting bags as well. The diamond painting bags do exactly the same thing. You either get a cow or a cup. So I don't like the idea of that. I like to know what I'm purchasing. So I won't be making that mistake ever again. But thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future uploads on the channel. I'm sorry it's just the one in this video, but I thought I needed to make that aware to you guys that it is a mix and match. So don't automatically assume that you're getting this flamingo, because you could end up with this horrible looking pony. I don't think it, I mean, it has got a unicorn, but it just reminds me of, especially the big Tao, you know, the My Little Pony thing, which is a cartoon kids thing on TV. But yeah, really, really disappointed, and is what it is. But anyway, thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, and all that jazz. And tap that notification bell and you'll be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for another range. Temu, Amazon, who knows? You'll have to wait until next Wednesday. Bye.